Wanna know how to farm rare hero shards efficiently? So in the previous video we had discussed about how to get hero shards, and in this video I'll explain you how you can easily farm them, especially the rare ones. So rare hero shards are essential for unlocking strong units. You need to check event stages and daily missions that drop specific shards as well. Make sure you also focus on stamina on the stages that give the most shards per run. Track which heroes need shards first. Don't waste runs on heroes you won't use. Efficient farming makes unlocking rare heroes faster without spending any money. And that's it, super simple and easy. Shards can be hard to find and sometimes are pay to go, but if you use my tips, it should be easier to farm them as well. I hope this video helped. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.